Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix the MSVCP120D.dll file error. When I try and open up this application, as you can see, I get a message saying that the file may be broken or missing. This can be very frustrating when it comes to .dll files, but unfortunately it does happen. They sometimes do go corrupt, or your computer just doesn't have it. To start off with, all you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below, and you will end up on a page that looks like this. You now need to decide which version of Windows you have. If you've got a 32-bit version of Windows, then you just need to download this file. If you have a 64-bit version of Windows, then you need to download these two files here. I'm now going to go ahead and download the 64-bit files, but I will show you how to do the 32-bit version as well. Once the files have finished downloading, you now need to open up the two files, or the one file if you only downloaded the 32-bit version. You now need to go to your C drive, and you now need to go to Windows, and you need to scroll all the way down until you find System32. And if you are using the 32-bit version file, you now need to drag your 32bit.dll file into the System32. But if you're using 64-bit, like I am, you now need to go to your 64-bit folder, which is here. You need to open it up and find the .dll, and we now need to drag this file into our System32 folder, like so. And you need to go continue. Just make sure it does say here System32, and we are copying it to the right location. You now need to go back to Windows, and you need to scroll down until you find SYSWOW64. And we now need to open the 32-bit version of the .dll. And you now need to do the same again. You need to open up the folder, and we just need to simply drag this .dll file into our SYSWOW64 folder. And like I said before, just make sure you are definitely copying it to the right folder, not into one of the subfolders. You now need to press continue. And once that has finished copying, you can now open up your game or program, and it should run absolutely fine. If you do get another error saying that the .dll file is still missing, then I do recommend you try and restart your computer, and hopefully that will fix the problem. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.